Hello and welcome to the third segment in the journey for the 2002 Mercury Cougar to be restored. And today I am just taking a little video here and update you as to what I've done. As you see, the interior looks pretty good. I'll pan around here to the driver's door. Everything is very nice considering this vehicle has 184,450 miles. Let me go ahead and start it up. Low fuel lights on, but everything's great with this car. It sounds good. I'll go ahead and leave it running. I'll do a quick walk around. This car, if you remember from the last segment, it was wrecked in the front, but the front fenders are now on. The replacement hood is now on. Everything is straightened out. The motor's running good. It's got a new engine mount in it, a couple engine mounts. And all the hardware is put back on. As you can see, the fuse box, battery, air box, everything is back in good shape now. And this was the part of the damage that was straightened out by the frame pullers, and they did a great job. So the next stage of the process for me to do would be to strip down all the trim pieces and get it ready to go to the body shop. And you can see I took off the side moldings. I'll do a little bit better job in getting rid of all that extra residue. I also took off the spoiler wing and badge, and then I'll be taking off the aerial up there on top, taking the tail lights out. Everything is going to come off this car before it goes to the paint shop. It's also going to make a quick stop at the dent place to take care of a few door dings. Obviously this is more substantial than probably what a dent place can do, but I'll see if they can take a crack at it. Otherwise, it's going to have body work to be restored. Also put some tape up here on the top of the sunroof to keep someone from opening that and getting water inside the vehicle. But everything is just about ready to go to the paint shop, and I'm going to pull off any other small little bits of trim. Anything that should not be painted won't be painted because I'll take it off and put it back on there. You can hear the engine running well. I got a little cover to put on right there, but that's got a new belt on it. It's got a lot of new parts, new spark plugs, and you know, it's running good. So anyway, I know this is a quick update, but next stop is the body shop, and that's really going to be the turning point for this vehicle. As you can see, everything's in pretty good shape in the back. I do have a brand new front clip, new fog lights, new headlights. As you can see, this is the donor door. The OEM one was rippled in the front there, and I changed the panels out, so now it has the exact same panel as the other side, and also have some anti-moisture bags in there to keep any kind of moisture down. And I have some seat covers on there, just some cheap seat covers that I bought. The reason is, when you take a car to the body shop, it's going to get dust on it. Maybe the guy's got a little bit of paint on his hands. You don't want that on your leather seats. So it's well worth the $5 or $6 at the Big Lot store to get a set of those and put them on to protect it. So anyhow, hopefully the next time you see this car, it'll be back in one color. I'll go ahead and put the hood down. Really started to get excited about this car because it's been a long project, as you may know from watching the previous videos. But it rides straight and goes down the road. Tires are good. I also bought new brake rotors and pads. I'm going to bleed the system out and get the brakes in ship shape. And so next stop, the body shop for some paint. So until next time, this is the third segment of the journey of the 2002 Mercury Cougar back to restoration. So this cat's going to live for another day, and we'll see you soon with the next installment. Have a great day. Bye bye.